In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a WordPress website on Hostinger using Astra starter templates. We'll begin by getting hosting and a domain. Head over to the Hostinger website and compare the available plans such as Premium, Business, or Cloud Startup. Any of these will work. Choose the one that matches your expected traffic and features. If you pick a 12-month or longer plan, you'll get a free domain included. Type in the domain name you want to register, check that it's available, create your account, and complete the payment. Aim for a domain that's short, easy to remember, and aligned with your brand. After payment, you'll land in the Hostinger dashboard, often called H-Panel. Click Create Website and select WordPress as your platform. Set your WordPress username, create a strong password you can safely store, and choose your preferred language. These WordPress credentials are for your site and are separate from your Hostinger login. When everything looks good, click Install WordPress. Hostinger will handle the technical setup automatically. Next, choose where your site will live. If your new domain is ready, select it now. If not, use a temporary domain so you can start building immediately while your domain finishes setting up. DNS changes can take a little time to propagate, so the temporary option keeps you moving. Also, pick the data center closest to your main audience to improve loading speeds. Once installation is complete, go to the website section in H-Panel and click WordPress Admin. This opens your WordPress dashboard, the central place where you'll customize your site, add pages, and manage plugins. Now let's apply a fast, flexible design. In WordPress, go to Appearance, then Themes, and click Add New. Search for Astra, then click Install and Activate. Astra is lightweight and beginner-friendly, which helps your site load quickly and gives you a great starting point. To accelerate your design process, add ready-made layouts. Go to Plugins, click Add New, search for starter templates, and install and activate it. This plugin provides a large library of professionally built site templates that you can import in a few clicks. It's time to choose your website's look. Go to Appearance, then Starter Templates, and pick Elementor as your page builder. Browse the templates, preview different styles, and select the one that best fits your purpose. When you're happy with your choice, click Build My Website. WordPress will automatically import the pages, images, and settings, so your site structure appears instantly. You're all set. You've secured hosting, installed WordPress, applied a fast theme, and loaded a complete template. Great job getting your website online with Hostinger and Astra.